In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page on Godaddy. If you've been looking to expand your website by adding a new page but weren't quite sure how to do it, you've come to the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident about making these changes yourself. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Godaddy's website and log into your account. If you're using Godaddy Website Builder, you'll be greeted by your site's dashboard right after logging in. This is a great time to have any reference materials ready, like details or content that you plan to include on your new page. Being prepared helps make the process smoother. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Website tab and give it a click. This will lead you to an area where you can see your site's current setup. Here, you'll find an option often labeled as Edit Website. Click on that. This will take you into the editor page where you'll be doing most of your work. The editor interface is user-friendly and designed to accommodate various design elements, which makes customization both straightforward and expressive. As you find your way through this editor interface, glance over to the menu options. Along this menu, you'll notice an option for Pages. This is precisely where you want to be. Clicking here will bring up a list of your existing pages. To add a new one, look for the plus sign, typically found at the bottom of your list of pages. The addition of a new page comes as simply as clicking this plus icon. Once the new page is added, you'll need to give it a name. This is important not only for your site's navigation but also for improving search engine optimization. Go for a concise and descriptive title that resonates with the content you plan to include. After naming it, you're ready to start customizing. When you're in the New Pages section, you can add various elements such as text, images, or even contact forms. This is your chance to get creative and ensure that your new page fits seamlessly with the rest of your site. Take your time to explore different layouts and designs. The more aligned these choices are with your brand identity, the better. Adjust these elements using simple drag and drop maneuvers, and remember to save your work frequently to avoid losing any precious adjustments. Lastly, before wrapping things up, review the new page. Make sure everything is displayed correctly and that it works as expected on different devices, especially on mobile. A thorough check can spare you later surprises, ensuring your visitors have a smooth and engaging experience. After verifying everything is perfect, don't forget to hit Publish or Save Changes to render the new page live for everyone to see. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new page to your Godaddy website, enhancing your site's content and functionality. Thanks for tuning in, and happy website building!